Hi everyone. In this series, I'm going to approach Kafka from testers' perspective. Most tutorials are for developers, but testers need to understand how message flows from these systems and how to verify them. So in this video, we'll try to connect to local Kafka broker, create a topic if it doesn't exist, and publish our first message. So before running our script, we have to make sure that Kafka is running locally in port 9092. So for that, I'm going to go to my C drive where I have installed the Kafka, and I'll have to run this command from the Kafka directory. So if your Kafka is up and running, we can go to our program, which is going to look for topic existence. If it is already present, it won't create a new topic. If it is not present, then it will create a topic. So let me switch the view to have a script up and running. We will need the broker Kafka broker running already on port 92, like I said before. And I'm using Kafka Confluent Kafka library. The first thing the script is going to do is to create an admin client. And instead of assuming the topic already exists, it checks and creates if it is needed. So it's repeatable. Next, we'll create a Kafka producer. Think of producer as an app that publishes messages to Kafka. Now we create a simple message and send it back to our topic. Kafka sends this message asynchronously. So we register a callback, delivery callback. This tells whether a Kafka has actually accepted the message. Finally, we'll call the flush, which will wait until all the messages are sent. Let's run the script. As you can see, the topic we are trying to create is going to be Kafka testing demo topic. So let me run this. So it's going to check if there is a topic that is going to exist. So we are getting a message like the topic is already existing because I did run this thing before, and we have sent the message, which is first testing message. It has also got delivered successfully. Partition is 0. And offset is going to be, because last time when I ran the message, when it was sent, it was 1. Now it is. So let's try to run this again. So now that I'm running it for the third time, it is giving me the offset as 3. Suppose if there is going to be some kind of error, I have this method written here, which will tell us that there was failure in the delivery, else it is going to print this log, which is why we got this message here, like message is delivered and the topic and the partition. This is a very simple method, and we can see the topic was created. If required, the message was successfully published as well. This is a very simple program. The flow is very simple. You have a producer app which is sending you the message. So the producer app produces message. While you're producing it, you're sending the topic to which the message should be sent, and you're encoding it with UTF-8 encoder, and you're also registering a delivery report. So this delivery report will tell you whether it has got delivered or not. So that's for this. Thanks for watching.